Ever feel like crypto is a maze? Bitcoin, altcoins, DeFi, NFTs. Where do you even start? Don't worry, I've got your back. Welcome to AlphaCryptoLab, where crypto gets simple, smart, and seriously fun. I'm Vicky. For 10 years, I've eaten, slept, and breathed crypto. I've made profits, learned from losses, and geeked out over blockchain tech. Now, I'm breaking it all down for you. No jargon, no hype, just real talk and actionable strategies. This isn't just another crypto channel. This is your lab. Here, we dissect trends, stress test strategies, and turn complex ideas into bite-sized wins. Whether you're here to invest, trade, or just get it, you'll leave every video with one clear takeaway: power over your portfolio. Every week, we'll decode the market, altcoin deep dives, Bitcoin updates, and DeFi hacks to level up your skills, trading blueprints, wallet security, and NFT guides. 3 Experiment live. I'll risk my money testing crypto tools, so you don't have to. Sound good? I thought so. If you're ready to stop guessing and start winning, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and join the lab. And drop a comment below. Tell me what you want to see first: altcoins, Bitcoin, or should we blow something up? Let's go. In crypto, the only constant is change. Stay ahead of it with AlphaCryptoLab. See you in the next one. And remember, DYOR, but you won't have to.